Hi, my name is Patrick and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice in mindful test prep. Coming at you today with an ACT math question. This is question 32 on ACT 64E. Oh, right there, pause it, pause the video. Why not take a crack at it yourself? And then when you're done, you can unpause the video, watch the explanation, see how you did, learning, etc. Could be tight. So we're getting in there. It reads, given f of x equals 4x plus 1 and g of x equals x squared minus 2, which of the following is an expression for f of g of x? Ugh, functions. We meet again. But this all seems kind of hypothetical. Like, what would happen if you were to do the f function to the g function? And there's a way to do that algebraically and combining like terms, etc. But I'd rather just pick a number and make it a real situation. Why don't we pick 2? That's sort of a nice number. So we're going to start at the inside of the grouping following PEMDAS in our order of operations. So f of g of 2. So let's start with g of 2. A function is essentially a set of instructions. What g of x tells us is that when you have a number in parentheses next to g, what that means is that number squared minus 2. In this case, that number is 2. Okay, well 2 squared is 4, minus 2 is 2. Oh, cool. So g of 2 would equal 2. Now we can move one level out in terms of our grouping. So we have now f of 2. All right. Well, the instructions for f say that when you have a number next to that, it means 4 times that number plus 1. So 4 times 2, 8, plus 1 is 9. So what we're looking for is 9. X is 2, and we're going to cross off all the answer choices that don't give us 9. So we can use our calculators, or perhaps the math will be simple enough to go without. Let's start with f. Let's see. So that would be negative 2 squared, so negative 4 plus 4 times 2, 8. Negative 4 plus 8 is 4, plus 1 is 5, which is not 9. The answer is not f, we cross it off. We go to g. 2 squared is 4, cool. Plus 4 times 2 is 8, so that's 12 in all. Plus 1 is 13, which is, sort of a spooky number, and also not 9. So the answer is not g. Great. Let's move on to h. 4x squared. Well, x is 2, so that's 2 squared times 4, which would be 16 in all. Minus 7 is 9. Ha ha! Looking pretty good. So we're going to leave h around. Let's go on to j. 4 times, again, same thing, so this will be 16 minus 1. Well, no, that's not 9. So the answer is not j. And then we go to k, finally. 16 times 2 squared, so that's 16 times 4, which is 64, plus 8 times 2, which is 16. 64 plus 16, we're already up at 80. Minus 1 is 79, which is not 9. So the answer was h. Rather than trying to combine things algebraically, we just assigned a value to x, which was totally legal. X could be 2. And then we went through and solved the problem as given, and then used our numbers to check which answer choice lined up. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to our channel? My name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.